Have you ever tried to save your work, only to be stopped by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're dealing with complex data. If you've ever faced the challenge of writing a Python dictionary with Numpy ND array values into a JSON file, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I completely understand how annoying it is to encounter a not JSON serializable error. It feels like you've done everything right, only to hit a wall. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when working with Numpy arrays. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I efficiently write a Python dictionary where the values are Numpy ND arrays to a JSON file? They mentioned running into an error that says the Numpy ND array is not JSON serializable. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So why does this happen? Numpy ND arrays are not directly serializable to JSON because JSON only supports basic data types. This means we need to convert our ND arrays into a format that JSON can understand. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to do just that. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your data handling even smoother. You won't want to miss it. To begin solving this issue, the user needs to convert the Numpy ND array values into a format that is JSON serializable. A common approach is to convert the ND array to a list. Next, the user should iterate through the dictionary and apply this conversion to each ND array value. This will ensure that all values are in a JSON-compatible format. After converting the ND arrays, the user can now write the updated dictionary to a JSON file. This can be done using the JSON module in Python. Finally, the user should verify that the JSON file has been created successfully and contains the expected data. They can open the file to check its contents. Fun fact, did you know that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation? It's a lightweight format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests converting Numpy ND arrays to lists before writing them to a JSON file. Since JSON only supports a limited number of data types, using the toList method of Numpy arrays allows for efficient conversion to a format that JSON can handle. The toList method converts array elements to native Python types, ensuring compatibility with JSON. If your array contains other data types, it's recommended to convert them to a portable format first. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user involves creating custom JSON encoder and decoder classes to handle Numpy arrays. The encoder converts Numpy arrays to lists for serialization, while the decoder converts lists back to Numpy arrays during deserialization. In the provided example, the user demonstrates serialization by writing a dictionary of Numpy arrays to a JSON file and then reading it back, converting the JSON data back into Numpy arrays. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your data types before serialization. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to write your Python dictionary with Numpy ND array values into a JSON file without any issues. Remember, understanding your data types is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more data handling tricks.